Ladies and gentlemen, this is the beginning of the celebration of traditional Losar in Chushut. And on the first day of the 11th lunar month, the celebration begins with the performance of visiting to the monastery. Following the sacred ritual, blessings and offering are extended to the various president of association and then shared in every household in the community. There's a very nice ritual in homes where there has been a new house built, a wedding celebrated, or a baby born, or a new vehicle purchase, or someone secure a new job. They have a very beautiful customary to offer a money as a gesture of gratitude and blessings for continuing prosperity and the good fortune. And ladies and gentlemen, this tradition beautifully reflects the spirit of community, the gratitude, the sheer joy. And I must say, this tradition beautifully reflects the spirit. And I must say, everyone, let's join in, come together and celebrate the Losar with joy, harmony and cultural pride with the villagers of Chushut.
Ata minggu jasi tu sirka garu saya tipu pale zirkani ata asperaje kina mo tipu pale. Pasang para sing soma ata guet prometro dakser hasol sana. Ekma demo ang pale. Pasang na adi dontir kong ata azuk chawa bino pale. Dene kong jeto kena alas jo konchos sungi jaldu chot. Lamas taksan dal pe jaldu chot. Dena la dene ka tongpe ka kong hasol dene phasle bino. Boden na hasol. Dena chotla Guru Jukpe Kangari Karpe Jalduchot, Guru Jukpe Yunso Sonme Jalduchot, Alle Sankang Marpe Jalduchot, Desokhari Karpe Jalduchot, Kaki Tungi Hempe Tungis Hempe Jalduchot, Kaju Pompe Jalduchot, Yulkando Jukpe Yule Jalduchot, Harkando Jukpe Steble Jalduchot, Sarkoje Jalduchot, Florentin Jungnaski Jalduchot, Nuktawa Tayaski Jalduchot.
By adding humor and drama to the movement. And in continuation, Gyagarapo asked, what that in the mountain, what's that in the passes? And to this, they replied, Apo and Abdi replied, the mountain are full of juniper and the passes are full of ibex. And this kind of, symbolic exchange signifies mutual understanding, respect and sharing of message between them. And then the celebration then concludes with the dynamic sword dance and a very beautiful performance we have just witnessed, ladies and gentlemen. And now, actually in Ladakh, Ladakh holds a very special cultural significance. In earlier time, Java referred to a Ladakhi.
Kat pasang na tenekazu demo raktumuni na jununi mana san bosese no etumuni ona busa ngata makhang jigi na nurbu nunuk mana masamsik hama iska nurbu mene jin juste tene ngata yulla kazu dusna 6 minute kazu khaza 6 minute sontok 6 minute kazu ngata rai zukspeka gwe tv ne pawu sakpa kazu jalak siga ngata zoet te changmabo nurbu mene jin jen jigi ta lokshesi jaltama demote no kat pasang tenengata laxpo chikstong or gapkia sumchu ji sting na ni lor kya ji khalam ngata dogre jamuraje nayo galuska khade kat pasang na teneteo jana ngata laxla sipa lepche sang buzuk songkya somba sang na te jokse yang sirka ona ngata te jana losar karo demo du tas se kong sang ma chasol kat pasang na chishot mula losar te jana ma demo pasang na tene kong sang ma losar las kat patak sai ka sipe ngata yang sai sigang konis zade du khale talo mar gyasik ngata luskyak pale dokre ngawa te jana phala kanin tukyal kat pasang na ho sam tene ngata rai yang tak tendel sama kazuga logic kiporina ngerale gagyak sama metkan josesi tapsmun kora
believed to have originated from their tradition. And this kind of sword dance is not merely a performance but a ritualistic act at removing bad omens, dissolving obstacles and purifying the environment as the community steps into the new year. So dressed, as you can see, in the warrior attire, the soldier attire, and this kind of a dance is actually enact a symbolic battles against the negative force. Each movement of dance represents bravery, discipline, and triumph of good over evil. So, ladies and gentlemen, I request every one of you to just have a glance. Business traveler or a trader who journeyed across distant region like so many places, carrying goods for to sell. So, the Chaba dance reflects a lifestyle struggle experience to this trader during their long and arduous journey. And the performer often dressed in a traditional trader attire, as you can see on the stage, carrying their bags, symbolizing the trade goods, and enact the scenes that they represent the challenges and triumph over this kind of travel. Ladies and gentlemen, through this dance, the community honor the legacy of this early business traveler. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's witness together this beautiful Chaba dance.
semalam kata juat jatuh, solwat tabtuk, kene tukse zade ta ngaja yak cikyo da entik duk, kene te dagek sangma metkan cese jomshu pindang, kene kongos ngerahale, yang te beka jinlap zade, kene te tokse cirka ma demo yong duk, kene te pindang ngerahale ngatanga skin la, tang se skin na, kene skin blue ngatanga cise dina ma demo jik sarchese toldu keo daksai ngatang sangme ika ngeja sangme sans skin chenseren ngata teo ze tokpale apocho skillinga songse laka gun orgale song skin chenseren laka gangse do bargan zeren nungba gangse do apocho ni gaise sangme apocho ni gutche sangme kita ngerangale daksai apis tene ma memia yasa chur khale sespa chur tamman ngerangale ket pasang na te sirka sangma ma demo duk ene dakse I luina ngata spawe ngata ko gona tamskan kampa chakpa gaduk ngata namzarek namsezi te blue man charsar sal do gale ngata korang soklam chakpa ngata te lu thangma ma demo yong duk ene sespa berduni jaga ene konga abi meme iskangera gale yang tongpa chikche ngata chinan dene salma done stinna dene pilowa tom dikse dene abi meme ngera le bakton dikse nimang sama tom dikse bakton la boda jatu dene teon ma demo gale dene te bakton dika dene yang ngata gyare apo chikchi gyongse mani gyare gyalko stilagis ka tsala tang kana yotin chik chukna yotin chik jundang yang tiwati lang tang chesi solma demo regam dene skas na teon na
The household, the sacred ibex, is placed in the family shrine as an offering to the oracles, while other kept in the house, symbolizing blessings and protection. And this practice is believed to appease the oracles and invite their blessings for the coming year. The ibex dance performed during Losa celebration holds deep cultural and spiritual significance. It is considered an auspicious ritual that brings harmony, prosperity, and happiness to the community. The tradition beautifully reflects the Ladakhi people's reverence for their spiritual heritage and their connection with nature and divine force.